What's up, y'all? Me and my daughters, we was in our local fiesta yesterday, and we seen some of these. I don't know if y'all ever seen them before. If y'all ever seen them, drop them in the comments and let me know how you like them, because we found all kinds of little gummies and stuff that they wanted to make a YouTube video, or we probably go live on TikTok and try them out. So this is the first one. It's like a piece of gummy. I don't know if y'all ever seen this before. If y'all seen this before, drop it in the comments. It's the taco gummies. If y'all see it, it looks like these. And then they have the burger one. I don't know if y'all seen these. It's the burger gummies. And also they have the